Next up, we have Wanda Hernandez. Wanda is an activist with the New York City AIDS Housing Network.
Morning, everyone. Thank you for having me. First, I'm going to give you a little bit of who I am and then why I'm in my organization. As you already know, my name is Wanda Hernandez. I'm a single minority-educated woman from the Bronx. I possess a bachelor degree in business management from Monroe College. And I work with NYCAM Vocal, known as the New York City AIDS Housing Network, and Voices of Community Advocate Leaders. Both organizations aim at for people living with HIV and AIDS. Our organization is led by low-income individuals living with HIV and AIDS and former and active drug users. My involvement with the organization, actually with NYCAM, because I am HIV positive and have been for 15 years, was because I am directly affected by social injustice. I became a member, then a leader, finally a board member. At the present time, I'm advocating for affordable housing for people with HIV and AIDS. Through rallies and meetings, actions, press conferences, and mobilization. Yes, I was arrested. I was one of those crazy activists who shut down the Capitol Rotunda last year. Where we accomplished at that shutdown was the lift of a ban on federal funding for syringe exchange globally. Thank you. For which immediate response was covered and handled worldwide, not just by the media, but by President Obama's staff as well, finally getting the ban lifted. I have had the pleasure of testifying, both in City Hall and the White House, giving personal testimony, RE affordable housing. I've completed leadership trainings, Power Academy, and I mentor my members. And I have participated at the showdown in Chicago surrounding foreclosures and big banks. Some of the campaigns that are presently involved in right now are the 30% rent cap, and I'm going to give you a little insight on that. The 30% rent cap is a bill that actually is the first to have passed this 2010 January through the Assembly. And what this bill will do is cap all those people who have fought actually hard for their SSI, SSD, and veterans who are coming home and have nothing to fall back on. This bill will protect them from paying more than 70% of their check in rent. The syringe access bill, although it's a bill that has been passed, unfortunately, our people are still getting arrested, whether they carry an ID, whether the bill has been passed, due to code and health discrepancies. So we're trying to get that straight so that our people can continue to maintain healthy lives, be able to give out their syringes, exchange their syringes, and prevent the spread of AIDS. I am also involved in the prison-based gerrymandering bill, which is a little bit to the extent of actually not about the money, but more about the legislative representation. As you all know, when our folks get incarcerated, they are most of the time stationed upstate, but they are not counted in our communities. Therefore, our funds are going upstate rather than where they should be counted, where they reside when they come home. And I'm also on representation of people who are incarcerated for other issues. I have been televised interviews by the Daily News, and I am also the designated media spokesperson for the organization. Overall, and to not take too much time, here fighting for change, and once again, thank you all for your time and having me. Thank you.